Eat fruits for my snacks. Wow, so yummy. Grapes, apple with drinks, merienda. Have a nice day! Kain po tayo. Hmm. Ang dami kong work. I feel hungry. Nagutom ako. Snack muna ako. Grapes. Very cold. Yung apple is cold. Ang grapes. At ito. Wow. It's hot in Jordan. No? It's summertime. Ang harap. Food is life. Pag dami kang trabaho, madali kang magutom. So, kain muna tayo. Healthy fruits. Okay. Wow. So delicious food.